What's up everyone, good morning, my name is Ofnir and welcome to the Inner Order. Today we're gonna do some tape reading and maybe some paper trading, not sure yet, will depend on if the market throws us our setups. So I hope you're all doing good. What's up Ray, what's up Wildberries, last lap? How's your trading this morning? So without further ado, let's get right into it. Unfortunately our targets have been acquired overnight, and this morning we did get the reversal on our other intended targets, some inversion fair value gap model, and then straight up to the upside, pretty much like we did see into the Asian fractal, straight on our deviations too. So yeah, we did take a small long around here and TP'd here for a small 300 bucks, which is a good morning for a Thursday, NFP Thursday. So how was your trade this morning? 10:07, maybe it will throw us a setup right here. This is another intended target. Let's see our monthly, since we have a new monthly candle. Hope you appreciate the new songs. Just tell me if the volume is too high. Didn't have time to adjust it yet. So yeah, so far we are attempting to do our swing low on the monthly in the fair value gap. Didn't dig as deep as I wanted to though on my white line, so we can keep it for later. Let's see the weekly. So far we have our midweek reversal, like predicted. We did retrace into the volume imbalance and the order block. And our daily. Great structure on the daily too. We did retrace into, let's say, fair value. And that did go up. So we can maybe anticipate chop for the month of August. So far we have a bullish first week of the month, like we can see here. So we might maybe anticipate a bearish month, or at least consolidation. No giveaway today. Giveaway will be on Friday. So yeah, make sure to tune into our stream tomorrow morning so you can participate into the giveaway. So promo codes have changed too. Now ODAM will give you 70% off on evals, ODAM 35 for 35% off activations. And yeah, make sure to use the link in the description to open an account with NextGen and get the best deal around. Some new sponsors will be added in the coming weeks too. So yeah, let's go. What's up, Sam? Great live yesterday on Tradeify. For those who didn't see it, go check Sammy Eaton live on Tradeify yesterday around what was 1:30 p.m., 1:35 p.m. Eastern Time. An awesome trader. Go tune into his channel and support him too. He often goes live after us, so yeah. Makes a nice stream to watch after hours. There's Wildberries too, who's a great trader and have a trading channel. Don't forget to subscribe to him as well. Both are friends of the channel, and both are great traders too. So what's your bias for today, guys? Oh, this is not something I wanted to touch. I know that for me, most of the move of the day is done. I think here, for top of the day, might go a bit higher, we don't know. So far we did get our midweek reversal. We're waiting to see if today we'll do the invalidation of it, or if it's just gonna do the 20 to 30% retracement and we're done for the week, most likely. Hey, it's my pleasure, bro. So what we do here is mostly use symmetrical deviations of certain times and price range to give us areas on our other deviations and higher time frame arrays where price is likely to reverse or want to draw to. I think the pre-market deviation have been covered by ICT lately, so yeah, for those who want to dive a bit more into it, just go check ICT. He does a great lecture on the pre-market deviations. So far, we're waiting to see what profile will unfold. Looked high resistance liquidity run for a time, but now we just entered another stage of distribution. Let's go check our 5 minutes. 5 minutes looks pretty. Right on the order block too. Alright, let's go. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe. We're going to do more live stream in the coming weeks. Mostly, we'll try to do at least one every day or one every 2 days. Starting to get back a little more into it. So we have one deviation acquired. We just boot this liquidity pool. 10 AM macros done. Let's go check here. Attempting a breaker. So we are gonna fetch our deviations here. Some call it the order block, others the Judas. I like to take wick from wick and test after it body to body to see which lands better. We have our 75 here, 3.75. Let's put it like this and just wait to see. 2.25 here. I like the confluences. Continuation trade here. And we're mostly waiting to see. Oh, I think I hear the baby quails. Just give me 1 second, I'll be right back. They were fighting. They're getting older, so they get into fight. The 15 measuring it? Alright. Yeah, great idea. Starting to have a lot of lines on this chart. I have to do some cleaning up after it. Yeah, I'm about to do right-click remove all. After the stream, I think that's what I'm gonna do because it's getting doodly as fuck. I'm getting lost in my own drawings. So those deviations match with 0.5 of the flout, C of the flout. Always a great area to look to. So now we're looking to see. It didn't do another block like I like them. I mostly like them when they close above within 2 candles, so I wouldn't consider it. Let's go check our 1 hour. We did the retrace to the order block here for the open, which is great. Two hours, similar structure. Now we're waiting to see how we will use this inversion fair value gap. I'm gonna paint it blue so it's easier to see. Yeah, it feels very correlated. It's one of the areas I'm looking to. 852. So now we're looking to see how it will behave inside of it. Let's go check our 4 hours. 4 hour might do an order block, bullish order block. Let's go check our fair value gap to see how it retraced. Small imbalance here. Never forget to include it. So not quite perfect, but still, it's something we like to see around the 786. Leaving a small portion of the gap open. Huge sensitivity from there. Back to the 15 minutes. Let's see if it uses its breaker, which it's doing right now. What's up, Jason? How are you doing, man? How's been your trading this morning? Like I said earlier, giveaway tomorrow, so don't forget to tune in and check. It will be around the market open or first macro like today. Still have liquidity here. Reaction to C. Yeah, pretty good. I took a small trade this morning, like 300 bucks winning. For Thursday NFP, it's good. I'm taking summer a bit more relaxed, I'd say. I'm mostly in paper trading limbo these days, trying to get back to the groove. Had a lot of stuff happening lately, so it just like sidetracked me from my focus. Which is something that looks like to be a problem every trader faced. So yeah, I'm happy to face it now, so in the future I'm gonna be okay with it. It's part of the learning curve. Closing a payout as well. Maybe during August if I'm lucky. But yeah, like I said, I tend to not trade August very much. I'd rather study and practice, so when markets become more favorable in September, I can just smash it. Yeah, exactly. A win is a win, man. A green day is a green day. And no trading day is a green day. A rules respected day is a green day. Like Sam Eaton said so well yesterday, we just have to stop doing stupid shit. That's what gets us all. Attempting a tiny retracement so far. Reaction of C. That's not blue. I said I would paint it blue. I'm colorblind. Does it shows? Yeah, amen to the stupid shit. What's up, Voila? So don't forget to use the code ODEM for 70% off evals with NextGen, links in the description. 35% off with the code ODEM35. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to go live at least once a day or once every other day for the coming weeks. Yeah, we're kicking things up a notch. Some other giveaways will be coming. Other videos concepts. We're gonna do some hiking, exploring, fishing, hunting. Trying to showcase a bit of every aspect of what's like to be a trader, essentially, because being a trader is not only trading, it's also enjoying life, just getting your freedom back, being able to be there for the people that really counts for you. It's not just about the money. And that's pretty much the direction we're trying to go with our branding, essentially. Alright, flipping C with an order block. Weird time though. I would prefer to see that kind of things around 27. Not 23. So this is one of our targets for the day. As said earlier, we expect the top to be somewhere around here. Might go higher if it wants to, but yeah, don't expect it. Let's go check on the weekly for 1 second to see what we just did. That's about the 20 to 30% retracement. We did almost 25, so yeah, job is done for the week, guys. Unless we do another top today. Tomorrow it's pretty much free for all day. Which is to be expected at this time of year. Let's go check our 3 months. It's been a long time. And just hide the drawings for 1 second. That's great. Small fair value gap as well. And just to showcase something I found out recently. Just recently. But let's say that I've started to talk about it recently. Found out about it maybe a year ago or so. Just look at this. Fractal here. Let's get it bigger. You can see how the structure is pretty similar. The even flow is similar too. And then the overall profile did the exact same thing than here. Taking the high. Let's see how it will behave in relation to this high. It's something I will touch a bit more into in the coming videos, the coming pre-recorded videos. We have a inversion fair value gap model. exactly from one of our targets. Let's see how deep it digs. Matching with deviations from pre-open, as well as the London range deviation, which we call Judas deviation. C of the flood. So yeah, we have multiple confluence here. Feels like we're only balancing some areas in the last days. I was losing my English right there. In here, if we can show you a bit more about the inversion fair value gap, we have it here, small imbalance here, we'll include it. See how it did retrace once it closed below, it did retrace to a quadrant of the inversion fair value gap and then slumped down, which created a fair value gap here. Taken liquidity. This is mostly a scalp model. It's not something I will hold on for dear life. Something I will use to get a small payday essentially. So from here to what it did here, it's 187 ticks. With enough contracts, that's a respectable payday, man. I'm mostly trading it in micro for now. But yeah, at some point I will go into minis and this will be a banger setup. Often happens on matching arrays and coincides with some higher time frame arrays as well. It's not always an all-out reversal, but it's in the majority of cases it's gonna retrace to local liquidity pool. Like our mentors say so often, it's from external to internal, internal to external. Attempting the mitigation block. I'm not considering this as a breaker since it's not an obvious swing in the movement. I'm more conservative on my breakers. So will it go and take liquidity here, or will it just retrace in the fair value gap, bounce on our rejection block and then go higher? Unicorn setup. I'm mostly expecting it to consolidate from here. Can do something trippy in the meantime. Deviations are matching with the liquidity pool, but also with the fair value gap, so it's yeah, it's not a sure thing. Mitigation block. Will it retrace into the inversion fair value gap once more, or would it slump down? Five ticks wick. Retracing into the inversion. A reaction of the C of the flood. Let's go check our 5 minutes. We have a bearish order block within 2 candles. Inversion fair value gap there as well. So the model is leaking. I'm expecting order flow to kick in at some point. Let's go check when did it do it. It's around 27, isn't it? 26 in this case. So yeah, that's why I'm mostly waiting on a certain time, matching with deviations on arrays. It's not always gonna be the move, but it will at least give you something. Like I said, I'm more of a scalper too, so I'm not into holding for big range. Not yet, at least. So, will we flip Midnight Open again? Starting to chop. Half mark of the hour. That might be the high of the hour. Compression candle after an expansion. Inversion fair value gap once again. Bullish order block or bearish? You sure you want to go all in on NFP Thursday? Here, you mean? Yeah, if we get a bullish order block here, we're gonna blast through it. That's for sure. Looks like it will gain some time and then move. Time distortion. All including your shirt. We gotta slap this Gamble Berries influence out of you. No cowboy stuff over here. Will you sell a kidney as well? Nice, we got into the inversion fair value gap and closed the candle inside. Now we want it to blast through the inversion fair value gap and the fair value gap. Flip it into a reclaimed fair value gap and then inversion fair value gap. We want to see it close above this quadrant. Boo. Fun fact about the inversion fair value gap model. You can see how it goes mostly to mid-range or fair value, take liquidity, and then do something else. Like I said, it's mostly a scalping model. One of my favorite ones for scalping. Not when trading, I like the unicorn or the order block. If it's really obvious and perfect on a deviation, I'm gonna soup, but if not really perfect, I tend to not soup and wait for people say I jumped the gun, but I think it's confirmation. Not always, but yeah. Let's go check one I've not seen in a while. Silver. So silver's in a discount. Nice. Let's go see the monthly. I'm waiting around 39, 40 to start buying up again. It's something I've been waiting for a long time since I bought over here. Now that I've sold, I'm like, I need some silver again. Let's not even talk about BTC, okay? So we might get your order block right. I bet Busta did the trade over here. Did Busta trade the breaker? Reaction of the bearish order block. So now we want to see it respect the fair value gaps. Otherwise it's just balancing it and will do some time distortion. Closing in on the macro though, so it might just keep its move for the macro. Let's just hope the 15 minutes don't do a swing high over here. I would be more confident into the 15-minute order block if it did retrace here and get to the breaker first. Breaker inversion, so it would be a balance range and then it would blast out of here. Yep, yeah, me too. Might keep it for the 10:45 candle though, so it does it during the macro. Looks like it's building a small accumulation range to railroad on macro. Let's draw our 10 AM candle. So now we're waiting to see where it closes. Would be great if we close at least here. Let's do a compression, 2 compression, and then blast out of here. But like I said, what would be really great is a retrace into the fair value gap, or even the unicorn. For now, we're stuck between 2 arrays on the 15 minutes and on the 1 hour as well, so yeah, we might chop for a bit. Like I said, this is mostly the move I was expecting for the AM session, but we still can go to our higher targets. Now that the 20 to 30% retracement is done, that's fair value gap. Now go up. Let's see if it closes an order block here. What will be great is an order block in the inversion fair value gap. So closing higher than midnight open, or at least on midnight open. We don't want to break the alpha of this swing, essentially. If we do, we can anticipate this liquidity to be run. Let's see it if 1043 will throw a setup at us. 1043, 1047 is mostly 15-minute changeover, so it's kind of another kind of macro. Last candle to make an order block. If not, we're going down. So far, retracement into the breaker and fair value gap, so that's a bearish unicorn on the 1 minute. unless it blasts through here. We'll have to blast through the CE of the inversion fair value gap, or the bearish fair value gap to flip it into an inversion fair value gap. So far, it's just balancing the range. All right. We have what we want to see. So now we want it to flip the inversion fair value gap, creating another fair value gap. And yeah, same model to the upside again. Hope you like the music. Some new playlists are coming. We are aiming to put out at least one every 2 weeks. Let's go flip the inversion. Small imbalance here, so that whole thing counts as the inversion. C, so now we want to see it close. Yeah, exactly. Now let's flip C of the flop. Would be okay with it retracing here and then popping up. 1043, so yeah, 1043 is throwing a setup at us. No entry so far though. For me at least. Let's go flip it. One hour. So yeah, we close above 3 candles. So the whole thing is order block. Let's check how did we retrace in it. Let's bring it here. So it's about 30% in, which is something we like to see. Shows strength. So yeah, Ray, you might have your order block. Now that it did what we wanted to. Let's close above here though. 30 seconds. Inversion fair value gap, fair value gap. Just boop it and go up. No. Zero, nothing. Lack of reaction. So it shows a lack of strength. Although it's a textbook Tilly. Yeah. $10.45. So we'll be live tomorrow doing a giveaway again. And yeah, if we're lucky, we might get some guests on the show as well. Real pretty accumulation, manipulation, distribution though. Wanted to see it make a low on Thursday, so far we got what we wanted. Midweek reversal as well, which is to be anticipated in the first week of the month. Especially in summer. Looks like it wants to go for liquidity. So don't forget to follow us on Twitter. There will be some giveaway over here too. We had Wildberry, which was our last winner for the giveaway. It did do a song we will put in our playlist. It's on X right now. You can go and listen to it. As well, go subscribe to his YouTube channel. He's a great trader, really entertaining, and yeah, his streams are something worth looking into. Getting back into the breaker, it's not something we want to see. Yeah, bearish order flow. 1047. Look how I do another setup. Yeah, things are about to heat up. It's just gaining time. Is there a news driver soon? Gotta pull up my phone and check. Not supposed to. We did retrace into the fair value gap. So again, inversion, fair value gap, fair value gap. Not convinced it will go down though. Usually when it is to go down, it starts doing it already. So let's wait on the 1050 macro. Should get its ass moving. So in general, what kind of setup do you all prefer? Are you more into order blocks, retail stuff like VWAP, Bollinger Band? Let's talk about it since we're waiting on PA to move. What are your favorite setups? Like I said earlier, I'm more into higher time frames, deviations, and time. And I'm not married to one particular model. Yeah, the crab. How does he say it? It's a crab, bat, horseshoe. It's a crab, horseshoe, bat pattern. I don't know, but it's pretty funny. I would have to note it down. Horseshoe, crab, horse, whatever pattern. But yeah. Starting macro, so now we want to see it show its ends. No order block, although it seems to want to react to the breaker. Well, it's about time for a courage stick. I like this kind of music. It feels it fills up the silent part when I don't speak. I don't know who, I don't remember exactly who was talking to me about it, but yeah, it's not it's well above 120 BPM. What some misconception people have about it is higher the BPM, faster the music, but it's actually the opposite. Lower BPMs allow you to play way faster and put more notes in one measure, and higher BPMs allow you to play less notes by measure. So if you get into like 80 BPM and lower, that's fast as hell. Most really fast heavy metal is an 80 BPM. This is 136, which is kind of a sweet spot. Between 120 and 140, it's usually a sweet spot. So, accumulation macro so far, we did get another block though. So far we did call the low and the top of the day, but yeah, none convincing anything, given we are in August and first week of the month. NFP Thursday as well. Hope you all remember your NFP protocol, because I never remember. I always have to look up what I have noted for NFP. We go through NFP every month, and yet I have to check up the protocol every single month. So let's go check the 5 minutes. Macro did retrace to bearish order block, which is not something we like to see. Still stuck between two arrays, two higher time frame arrays. That's generally when you can spot consolidation or time distortion, seek and destroy. Although this is not a classic seek and destroy, it's more of a time distortion. Yeah, so seems like we don't get a trade this morning. At least not live. We did do one before. Yeah, I'm gonna slowly get into trading live. I just don't want people to copy me. I'd rather like tape read, show stuff, and help people into study together, showcase some phenomena. I'd rather take part in the learning, the learning side of it, than into the, follow me, get this signal, get this trade, yeah, we get into a long here, yeah, we get into a short here. What's better than leading by example? So yeah, my rule is no good setup, no clear setup, no trade. So yeah, no trade. 10:55 wants to get his ass out of here, but we didn't get out of the accumulation range, so yeah, no rejoicing just yet. Let's wait and see. Yeah, I love the studying part too, man. It's not often we get the occasion to study something that is completely rigged and repeats. It's not always that we get the occasion to focus on something that will just open our views on the world surrounding us. Because let's be honest, with friends, we didn't just learn to trade, man. We first and above all, learn ourselves, learn how everything's rigged essentially. We did get financial education, psychological education, discipline. This is the main focus of his mentorship, something I regretfully took way too many time to get. I was so antsy getting into trades. So antsy. Just couldn't wait. Second month I was demoing already. And yeah, came up and bite me in the, let's say, lower region of my back. And yeah, so I did get back into studying for like 5 or 6 months straight, one trade a day, no more than 2 or 3 trades a week. And yeah, after that I did go into evals. That's why it took me a so long time before showing some eval stuff. And funded account trading, I was essentially in paper limbo, some intensive bootcamp. I tend to go back to it, I'd say pretty often, just to sharpen my skill. And yeah, it's always good to train. And it's like athletes, they don't only train to acquire a certain mass or a certain skill, they keep it sharpened after it. The best around the world, the best are those who always study and train. That's the one who go far, that's the one who go high. So yeah, let's do the same thing, man. On top of that, we did all prove the statistics wrong. What did it all say? 4 years before you're break even or profitable? Look at us, man. We're not even 2 years into it. What this knowledge allowed us to do is something that is unmatched anywhere else. So let's focus on that. Let's keep that. Let's get it going. Let's all show to the world what it is to really be a professional. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too, bro. When I got my first... Oh, man. I was peacocking all around the town, and I have a small town. It's like one road. It's not long you have peacock all around, but man, did I peacock all around. My wife was completely over it. Wall did meet her. He knows how how can I say it? How harassing it can be. In a good way, though, in a good way. Oh. But yeah. Yeah, exactly. She was like, okay, and so what? No, she was proud, but she was like, okay, now let's keep at it, bro. What do you want me to say? Yay! Oh, she's pretty supportive. So yeah, now that we did retrace into our fair value gap, we can and a breaker, we can close above, like we wanted, above our deviation, our quadrant, sorry, and CE of the float, and then retrace to maybe what CE of this rejection block, and first quadrant of this one, and then go up. Even here would be perfect. Hey, take care, Jason. Have a good day. See you on the stream tomorrow. There's gonna be a giveaway. It's gonna be around 9:30 or 9:50, which is what will become our usual spot. This is our new giveaway song, by the way. It's gonna get crazy. Just imagine the small ducks swimming on this song. Everyone telling BS to each other. Will be real funny. Might get your entry, Ray. $11 AM, so 11 portion of the macro. Let's see if we do the swing high of the 11 AM candle, or if we go do the swing low and then continue higher, which is what we would prefer to see and get our final targets. But we have to flip the inversion first. So far we are fighting with CE. seeming to want to use the rejection block. Yeah, some more consolidation. So what it's retracing to is it's a fair value gap, breaker, and continue higher. 5 minutes. Hoping to get the same setup here. Is overflowing. Let's go check the 30. The inversion is a bit higher, so we wanted to use it's a raise and then go up. It's Ray, bro. You answered yourself. It was pretty funny though. So attempting an inversion fair value gap again. This setup is everywhere, man. If you're scalping, it's a good setup to scalp. Always give you something. 119 so far. Man, those songs are fire. I'm alone dancing in my office. And my computer is right beside the window, so everyone in the town can see me dance like a dumbass. Some more liquidity here, local, on the sub 1 minute time frame. Looks like it's starting to set up a pathway lower. Ha! Did just boop it. Wouldn't consider it taken. It's not taking enough in it. Order block. Song's a bit loud in my opinion. This should be better. Yeah, let's get retail and short so we can long the order block and railroad them. Trust me, bro, never going up. Never going up. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Just trust me. Look at this. Impossible. That's resistance. Never go up. And pattern everything. All you want, bearish. Let's go. You funny, bro. We're gonna have some fun times on this stream. Oh, you should put your stop like right here. I guarantee you, never going up. And when it's coming up, just move it here. And then here, on the deviation. Right on the deviation. Are you going live later today, Wildberries? Sam Eaton? If you're planning to go live, I'm gonna do some shameless chilling. I got like 6 viewers, but hey. It's funny how when it's not written giveaway in the title, I get like half the viewer I usually get. When I do a giveaway, I get like 50 viewers. That's funny. You might, so yeah, okay, then check Sam Endless Bullrun's channel, Sam Eaton's channel. Might go live today. An awesome trader, great entertainer too. He was live on Tridify TV yesterday with Living Like Chess, Coach Ryan. Don't know how they call him. But yeah, go check Sam Eaton. He's an awesome trader. Great chop trader too. I bet he made bank in this. He does some awesome risk management videos too, and scaling. Yeah. Let's go now, flip the inversion. 3 minutes till the end of the macro, throwing at us another setup around 11:07. It's always the same time, man. I love time. And we might get into the price doesn't exist, it's only time in time in the upcoming stream. It's something that passionates me, so yeah, I can go on for hours about it. Yeah, your shortstop is safe. Yeah, we can. Yeah. Yo, it's my stream, so if I say we can, we can. I'm joking, but yeah, sure, we will do. We'll do like a special stream aside, maybe like after hours when market is closed, or at the end of the week, something like that. But yeah, we'll do some special streams like that. Did you take the 15-minute order block, Ray? I wouldn't because of the equal lows here. Yeah, and I can have guests on the show, so if you got a microphone and some headphones, I can send you a link and you can come on the live stream and we can just talk together and study. Would be awesome. It's something I've been looking forward to for a long time. It's building up in accumulation range. Where's Psycho Bear? Tell him his 11-hour mark didn't work. He's a scammer. Doesn't work. Boo! Boo, Psycho Bear. Boo! I'm just joking if you're looking this in the future. "30 seconds till the end of the macro." Yeah, it's true. Yeah. Forgot about that. It's Marshall trip. And it's all gone trip. He's a good guy. Pretty good guy. We got an awesome community in the Discord. Flipping C, coming for the trust me bro, never getting your stop. Pull your stop higher so we can go higher. We've poked into liquidity, now we want to see it railroaded. Let's check that. So you in from here, nice. Oh, no, okay, it's not the same spot, it's here. I checked quick. So Wildberries in from here, about here. Forgot to check what's your target. So you're targeting the swing. Nice. I think you're gonna get it, bro. Yeah, it's look good. It looks good. Put the S's in the wrong place. That looks good. Yeah, nice. Ah, it was a sure target, bro. Nice trade, bro. Nice trade. So now we're wanting to see the inversion fair value gap flip in order to continue to the upside, at least to here. And then we can flip it and go higher, use this breaker. But it's cat ears! What gets me wary is the end of the Asian fractal here. So you can anticipate it to go high but not take the prominent high. That's why I'm aiming here. But yeah, sometimes PMs tend to do the last portion of the Asian fractal but in reverse. Something I found out. When the fractal broke, often it didn't really broke. It was in a reverse or just reverse literally the float and the Asian range. Something I'm studying more these days. Because in summer I found out it tends to break more often. Waiting for 1120. So far we have a weak swing high on the 11-hour candle at swing low, sorry, at 1103. At 1106 did the setup. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm looking forward to 1120 to see how the algo would set up its 11:30, 12 p.m. range. Yeah, exactly. We're pretty much on the same page. So let's see. Are we both upside or? But yeah, let's talk a bit more in the Discord today or tomorrow about a special live stream with guests, and that will be just us talking, showing charge, studying something together. And yeah, tell us in the comments if it's something you would like to see more of. Because from what's going on in the Discord, we're pretty much some TA freaks. There's always someone doing TA somewhere on something. Alright, so that pretty much does it for us today. Have a nice rest of the day, trade safe as always, and see you tomorrow. Was Avnir, I'm out. Have a nice day.